Hey guys, it's Dawn Mars here, and I'm back with yet another of Dawn's demos. And today I'm actually going to jump ahead a little bit because I had a specific request from a business partner to actually teach how to embed a YouTube video onto a WordPress blog. So it's a useful skill, and it's cool because I want to do this early on so I can start embedding the YouTube videos that I'm creating into the Dawn's Demos site as part of the demo, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is show you how to embed a YouTube video into a post. So normally what I would do is create a new post, but what I'm going to do today is, because I've already created a post that's welcome to Dawn's Demos, is I'm going to put it onto this page. Okay, so to find your page, you can just click here and go to your dashboard. And then you would click under, it's not a page, it's a post that I'm looking for. So I'm going to click on all posts, and it was welcomes to Dawn's Demos. So I'm going to click on the edit button, and it brings me to this page. Now, I'm not going to do this right now just to save time, but I'm going to write a little brief description about what we actually do on this website, which of course is WordPress demonstrations. But what I'm going to do is embed the video I did yesterday, the video 1 of how to create a WordPress website. So in order to do that, what I need to do is find the video, which I've already found. This is it on my YouTube channel. And what I want to do is get the embed code. So if you look down here, you'll see a share button. And now I don't want this link, I want the embed code. Alright, and what I want to do is a custom size. Now for this theme, I'm not really familiar with this theme because I never used the basic one. We're going to be changing that up in a video somewhere down the line, sometime soon. And so the first thing I want to do is change the custom size to 600 is what I use on my blog, my dawnmars.com. We'll see if that works here. And you'll notice that whatever I put in here, it's gonna keep the right ratios so that the video always stays the right size. And it's going to put it right into the code here. Okay, you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is click here, it'll highlight, and what you want to do is copy it. Now you're going to go back to your post where you want to post it, and you don't want to post it onto here. You can see that we're on the visual tab. What you want to do is click on the HTML tab. Okay, and so this is just showing the code for what's on the page. What I want to do is put the cursor at the very end, hit enter a couple of times, and then I'm going to right click and paste. If you're on a Mac, it's a little different. And all it's doing is putting that code in there. Now if I click back over the visual tab, you can see that the video has been embedded right here. It doesn't actually show the video, but it shows the outline of the video, and that's all that you need to do. Now if I was to click on preview changes, I'm going to do it to show you. It's a little bit misleading because it doesn't show the video in preview mode. So you might be feeling like it didn't work or whatever, but it did work. It just doesn't show up in a preview. So what I need to do is click on Update and then click on View Post. So you can see that it embedded perfectly. It was exactly the right size for this theme actually, so that worked out really well. So now I've embedded the the video that I did yesterday onto this post, and that is actually live. If you want to check it out, it's right on the main page because it is. If I click on home, it's the last update that I did to the site, and you can see it's showing up in recent posts, and it's showing up right on the main page, and you can go ahead and play that video if you haven't seen the first one and you're showing up here for video 3, I guess this is, then you can go over here. But that is how you embed a YouTube video. Just want to recap those steps real quick for you. When you find the video you want to click on the share button, and an important part of this is you need to unclick this if you don't want to share the playlist. That's something that I should have mentioned. So right now the way I have it shared, the code is actually telling it to share a playlist. You want to unclick that if you don't want to share a playlist, and then just grab this code, right click, copy, take it back over to the post that you're editing, make sure you're on the HTML tab, and paste in the code right here. It's not going to show up until you hit update and then view your post. So pretty simple, right? Not a big deal at all, not difficult to do at all. So go ahead and start uploading those videos to your new WordPress website because Google loves to see lots of different kinds of media on your site. So embedding videos is not just good because it makes it interesting to your visitors, it's good because it also draws in search engine attention. So, all right, get to it. That's the lesson. I'll see you on the next video.